Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to mine a cryptocurrency. So the first thing you will have to do is get a GPU or a ACIC rig in most instances. So next is power supply, and then there you go. So next is also dedicated mining software. So you can also go with the F2 pool right here, which is going to be your mining pool. So mining pools are just a bunch of computers working together so that you can solve a certain hash or a certain blockchain of the block. So there you go. You have BTC with their daily revenue, their pool hash rate, their price, the algorithm, which is going to be right here, your mining software for your mining pool, and then there's going to be tutorials right there on how you will do it for each type of cryptocurrency that you want. So if you want to learn more, just head on to f2pool.com and you'll be able to learn. So you can also learn on how it works right here on Coinly, and you can do crypto mining versus liquidity mining. So it would be most efficient for liquidity mining right now since there's already a Bitcoin halving and the actual reward has been halved already. So you're gonna get less and less Bitcoin if you're gonna mine Bitcoin only. So as you can see right here, the Bitcoin hash rate is going steadily, but it's not supporting with the Bitcoin price. So as you can see right here, there's going to be a pool URL for the actual mining pool, and then you're just going to need the mining software to hold it out with the hash rate right here. So there you go, guys. That is how you basically mine for crypto in the cryptocurrency world.